You're just getting into coding and suddenly, everyone's throwing around Git like you're supposed to know what it means. Don't sweat it. I'm here to break this down so it actually makes sense. No confusing tech speak, just real talk. Coding without Git is like writing a school essay in one single file with zero backups. One wrong delete and everything's gone. With Git, every change is saved as a snapshot. Like autosave, but smarter and fully under your control. It keeps every version of your work, so you can roll back, fix mistakes, or try new ideas without fear. Think of your project like a tree. The develop branch is the trunk, the central line where all new ideas grow. When you want to build something new, you branch off, like growing a limb. If your experiment succeeds, you merge it back into develop. If not, you just prune the branch, and the trunk remains unaffected. That's branching in Git. It lets you experiment without ever touching the good working code. Build something cool, just merge it back into the trunk, into develop. Did it crash and burn? Delete the branch. No harm done. No panic, no mess. Developers do this all the time. New features, bug fixes, test ideas, all in their own branches. It's like having a sandbox for every change. Got a new idea? You create a feature branch like feature login if you're building a login page. Need an emergency fix? That's a hotfix branch. Getting ready to launch? Use a release branch to fine-tune things before they go out. So let's say you're coding a login page. You make a feature login branch, do your work, test it, fix bugs, all without touching the main app. Once it's solid, you merge it into develop. And when everything's ready to ship, it all gets merged into main and sent out to users. And that's it. Yes, you'll use a few terminal commands, but honestly, once you understand the flow, Git stops being scary. Remember this structure. Feature branches go into develop, and when things are ready, develop merges into main. Simple, powerful, and clean. Here's a quick visual of the Git flow to lock it in. If this helped, you're going to love what's coming next. More practical Git tips and essential commands. Stay tuned. If this video helped, hit like, maybe subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding tips.